Forgotten username recovery failed on Barclays US Fix. If your Barclays US account keeps giving you an error when you try to recover your username, don't worry, you can fix it in just a few steps. Most people get this wrong because they overlook one small but crucial detail in the recovery process. Let's break it down clearly. Head to the Barclays US website and click on Forgot Username. You'll be asked to provide your last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, and the credit card or account number linked to your profile. The information must match perfectly with what's stored in Barclays' system. Even a recent name change or mistyped number can cause recovery to fail. If the recovery page says it can't find your information, try entering the details exactly as they appeared when you first opened the account. Many users forget that using a different email or phone number than what's registered will block the recovery. Still no luck? Check your inbox for an email from Barclays Bank or Barclaycard, as it might have landed in your spam or junk folder. If no email arrives after several minutes, don't retry immediately. Multiple failed attempts can trigger a temporary security lock. Another effective fix is to use a different browser or disable autofill before submitting the form again. Stored data often causes hidden formatting errors that prevent verification from going through. If all else fails, call Barclays customer service directly at 1-877-523-478. A representative can verify your identity and help restore your username within minutes. Once you're back in, update your recovery email and phone number to avoid future issues. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of frustration later. So, if your Barclays US username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. It's usually just a small mismatch or security hold. Follow these steps carefully, stay calm, and you'll be back in control of your account fast.